Hi guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Nati planning haul for you guys. This is a haul of obviously inserts at the top and then some stickers. These were from a couple of different orders that I have placed over the past month or two. So I just wanted to share what I grabbed, all the pretty new things I have, and I want to use some of these inserts for my study planner, and I have that sitting here ready to be set up, so I want to get these hauled and shown to you guys before I do that. So let's start off with the inserts. Now at the time of filming this, these aren't in the shop because Annette, the owner, unfortunately has to undergo surgery, so inserts aren't in the shop. Stickers still are though, and inserts are definitely coming back, so don't panic. They're just going out for a little while until she's recovered completely. So I'm still going to share because you can, get everything on your wish list and already. So this is an A5 size. Mumsy and Bub did just release an A5 TN. That's going to be my new study TN, so I picked up some A5 inserts for that. So this is the monthly view with the heart script. So it's just a full month on 2-page for the whole year of 2019. So and these come with a plain cover or the black and white dot with the name of the insert at the top, and I really love this black and white dot. I like that it's nice and neutral, but it's not just plain white, so I really like that they all match too. So this is the second A5 insert I picked up. This is the weekly layout. I'm not exactly sure which weekly this is. I'll leave all the details in the description box anyway, but you have your sort of week at a view on one side, and then you have this side which has a Monday to Sunday, a couple of lists of those, and then you just have five boxes of sort of dot points, and then down here you sort of have a scale and a week, so you can put how many weeks. This I'm probably not going to use for weight. I don't really track my weight, but I will be using the week tracker because it's for uni, so I definitely want to keep track of which week I'm up to. I'm not 100% sure at this point how I'm going to use this for my study, but I am doing 3 subjects, so I have plenty of room for sort of to-dos, and I have a weekly spread here and then 2 extra weekly boxes, so I have lots of space to plan out my weeks. And the paper is 120 GSM. It's absolutely beautiful, smooth, so nice to write on. I love the paper. So there's that one. This is a B6 size. It's a bow list, just the basic bow list lined with your little bows to check off your list. This is for my B6 home planner, which I do tend to write quite a few lists in that, so it's just for general sort of everyday, any lists that I need to do, nothing specific. I'm definitely a big list maker, so I picked up 2 pocket size weekly layouts. Now I'm in a pocket size for my everyday planning. This is the one I'm using, little baby pocket size. I find that it's just a lot easier to throw in my bag than anything bigger. I was using a personal size, but I've switched, and I'm using it, well, I have a daily insert in there, but I'm just not really using it at the moment, so I thought I would grab a couple of little weekly, sort of week on 2-page layouts for weeks when I don't have that much time to sort of decorate. So and this is separate planning to the sort of things. These A5 ones, I'm just going to have study stuff in them. There's nothing else in them. I can't mix my study stuff up with my normal stuff because it clutters up my brain. So this first one I have is the week on 2-page vertical boxes with the calligraphy font. A little box for each day and a header, like space for a header, and then an empty box for like a weekly box if you want, or just a full box if you want to decorate a little, and it's just like that the whole way through. So good for when you just want to put in like major appointments. And then I also got this one, so this is very similar to the A5 one I have. It's got the days of the week sort of horizontal layout on this side, and then over here you have your weekly box, just one because it's a lot smaller insert obviously, and then you have a few different to-do tick boxes. So I thought this would be good for both appointments and to-do lists, so I could just sort of put my main appointment for the day there, and then if I have a to-do list or some kind of list, I can just put it over here. We'll see what I like better. So as soon as the Flutterby kit came out, I had to grab one. It's really beautiful. It's my colours, lots of pink, very soft blush champagne tones, florals, butterflies, gorgeous. I just love it. So I got the 4-box sheet. This is in premium matte vinyl. I got the large washi and deco sheet, really beautiful. So this is obviously the other cart. I didn't grab the whole kit, I just grabbed a few sheets. And then this is the functional sheet, which is, you know, the main one that I probably really needed to get. And this is on the premium matte paper. So I haven't used their matte paper before. This is the first time. I wanted to give it a go. I do prefer to write on matte paper because I have a Palette G2 0.5. That's my favorite pen, and they do not work on vinyl stickers. So definitely want a vinyl still for like the full boxes and things, but I'm trying out the matte and I really like it so far. It feels really nice. And then I bought a bunch of their little sampler sheets. Now, I got these mainly in mind for these little inserts because I don't need a lot of stickers to decorate one of those. Like definitely, probably one of these would do 2 weeks in one of these spreads easily. So I picked up a bunch of them and I got these in the matte paper as well for the same reason, just for the pens. And these are a really good price and they're a really nice way to try out like the kit and before sort of shelling out for a whole kit. So I got the Woodland sampler. It's really cute. Little woodland animals, pink and blue. The Swan Lake sampler, lots of dusty pinks and a sort of soft purples, very, very pretty. Definitely, like you guys can tell, the sort of thing I like. You guys know what I like by now. I thought this one was really fun and bright. Not usually something I would go for, but I actually really like it. Like the pink and the purple and then the pop of bright yellow, and it is really, really hot here at the moment, so it's definitely appropriate. I grabbed the Sweetie Pie sampler. I believe this kit was made really for Valentine's Day, which has been and gone, well and truly. But I did like the pinks and I like these glitter headers. And yeah, what can I say? I'm a pink and floral fan, so be good for an anniversary or a party or any sort of thing you're going to. And then the Floral Love sampler, again, just those beautiful pinks and blues that I like. And this is sort of that minty blue that is one of my favorite colors. So yeah, that is all the samplers I got. Then I got these small page flags in the pastel colorway. I got 2 sheets of them and I got them in the premium matte vinyl. And these I'm going to sort of try and use to color code my monthly view for my uni, hopefully. I'm not sure if that'll work yet, but I'm going to give it a go, due dates and things like that. And I have 3 subjects, so I'm going to use 3 of the colors. I'm not sure which yet. And I did get the vinyl because they're a lot. You can peel them up and move them if you need to. And sometimes, well, if you've been to uni, you know that, yeah, professors like to move due dates. And then I'll just quickly show you my sampler. This is my freebie sampler. Very neutral, black and whites. I love these little clip bows, got quite a few of them. I love the Nati characters, got quite a few of those, and your heart script stickers, which I also have quite a few of in my collection. So, and then you get your pen tester sheet. You get these with every order that you order vinyl stickers, because not all pens work on vinyl, so they give you an appointment label to test out your pen, which is lovely. So once you've tested a pen, you know it works, you can just keep the appointment labels and use them as a functional sticker, so that's really awesome. Also worth mentioning, the undated weekly planners do come with date dots. So if you're ordering them and there's an option for do you want date dots or you don't want date dots, if you select yes, I'll have date dots, you get these. So I have the date dots. You get 3 months worth, which is really lovely. And that is everything. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Please check the description box because I do have a 10% off discount code for everything in the store. It is Danni10. I will leave it in the description box along with all the links and details that you need. And otherwise, I'm going to go set up my study planner now. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.